about a project titled Kidney Stone Detection Using Ultrasound Images. So now coming to the introduction part, the utilization of ultrasound images for the detection of kidney stones presents a transformative approach to diagnosing and managing kidney stone related conditions. By harnessing the capabilities of ultrasound technology, healthcare professionals can offer patients a safer, radiation-free and more accessible means of identifying kidney stones, ultimately improving patient outcomes and enhancing the overall quality of care. Traditional methods of kidney stone detection involve radiation-based techniques like X-rays or computed tomography, that is CT scans, which come with associated risk and drawbacks. The introduction of kidney stone detection using ultrasound images offers a safer alternative that eliminates exposure to harmful radiation and minimizes patient discomfort during the diagnosis process. So now coming to the objective part for this project, employing ultrasound images for kidney stone detection revolve around enhancing accuracy, safety, patient comfort and diagnostic efficiency. By shifting towards a radiation-free and patient-centric approach, this innovative technique strives to elevate the standards of kidney stone diagnosis, providing both healthcare professionals and patients with a reliable and accessible tool for early detection and effective management. By utilizing ultrasound images, the objective is to eliminate the need for radiation exposure altogether, providing patients with a safer diagnostic option that does not compromise their long-term health. Furthermore, the introduction of kidney stone detection using ultrasound images aims to improve patient comfort and accessibility. Ultrasound imaging is non-invasive, painless, and does not require contrast agents. So now coming to the requirements part, we have two types of requirements, that are hardware requirements and software requirements. In hardware requirement, operating system as Windows is required, processor i5 and above, minimum 4 GB of RAM is required, hard disk 20 GB and above. Coming to the software requirement part, Python IDEL, that is 3.7 version is required. So now coming to the methodology part, first we have image location. It refers to the process of identifying and accessing the location of an image within a computer system or application. Second, upload ultrasound image. It involves selecting and transferring ultrasound images from a local device or storage location to a designated platform or software for further analysis and processing. Third, pre-process image. It encompasses a series of steps to prepare the uploaded ultrasound image for analysis. This may involve resizing the image to a standard resolution, converting it to grayscale if needed, and ensuring uniformity in image dimensions. Pre-processing enhances the quality and the consistency of the image, facilitating accurate analysis. Fourth, image enhancement algorithms. It refers to a set of computational techniques designed to improve the visual quality and interpretability of images. These algorithms adjust various aspects of the image such as brightness, contrast, and sharpness to reveal finer details and enhance diagnostic information within the ultrasound image. Fifth, run watershed marking. It involves the application of the watershed transforms algorithm to the pre-processed ultrasound image. The watershed transform is a segmentation technique used to delineate different regions or objects within an image. In the context of ultrasound images, these algorithms can be used to separate and highlight distinct structures or anomalies such as kidney stones and within the image. Sixth, exit. It marks the conclusion of the process or operation being carried out. In the context of the provided step, exit could refer to the completion of the watershed marking process and the conclusion of the current analysis or processing session. So now coming to the execution part. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. So here we have a folder named as PyCatch. So here we have a Python file which is containing the Python script in it. And another folder named as dataset. In this we are containing some images over here for dataset. And these three are the Python files which are containing the Python script in it. And here this is the main Python file. This is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the project. Now to run the project, double click on run.bat file to execute the project. So here this is the graphical user interface. With this we are interacting with the program. Now click on upload ultrasound image dataset image button to upload image for getting the output. So here you can see that here I am uploading this first image over here, and now click on open button to upload the image. So here you can see that the image has been uploaded over here, and now click on pre-process image button to normalize and resize image for getting the output. So now here on this screen you can see that the image processing completed, and now click on image enhancement algorithm button to apply filtration algorithms to enhance image for getting the output. So here you can see that the first image is the original image, and here this is second image is the GABA image, and third image is the Laplacian image, and fourth is the medium blur, and here fifth image is the bilateral image, and sixth is the adaptive histogram CLA image, and in all image bilateral and adaptive histogram having more clarity. So now closing this image over here. Now click on run watershed marking algorithm button to get the output. So here you can see that the first image is the adaptive histogram image, and second image is the ROI marking image, and this ROI region is showing, and in red color here marking, you can see that. Similarly you can upload and test with other image also. So now closing this image, you can click on exit button to exit with this application. So now coming back to the conclusion part, as the medical community continues to embrace advancements in technology, the application of ultrasound images for kidney stone detection stands as a testament to the collaborative efforts of medical professionals, engineers and researchers. Through this convergence of expertise, the aim is to enhance patient care, minimize health risk and ultimately contribute to a healthier society. The journey towards leveraging ultrasound imaging for kidney stone detection represents a steadfast commitment to improving healthcare practices and outcomes, reaffirming the ever-evolving pursuit of excellence in medical science. Furthermore, the potential of this technology extends beyond its diagnostic capabilities. It has the potential to foster research and innovation in the field of kidney stone management, providing a platform for continuous improvement in detection accuracy, treatment strategies, and patient outcomes.
For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Project's YouTube channel and subscribe.